In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate your signature in PowerPoint. Whether you want to add a personal touch to your presentations or create a dynamic effect for your slides, animating your signature is a great way to showcase your creativity. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for the web version of Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you're there, look for the option that says Edit Presentations for free and head over to Microsoft PowerPoint for the web. This is an excellent resource for easily accessing and editing your presentations online without any cost. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to do that next. Simply click on the sign in button, which is usually found in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Make sure you have your login details ready. This is important because you'll need to access your Microsoft account to use PowerPoint's online features. Once logged in, navigate to PowerPoint Home. This serves as your central hub for all things PowerPoint, allowing you to create, organize, and manage your presentations. From here, select an existing presentation that you'd like to add your signature animation to, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Now, to insert your signature, look for the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This tab offers a variety of options to enhance your slides. After selecting Insert, you'll be presented with different multimedia options. Click on Pictures, and you'll be prompted to choose an image file from your device. Locate the image of your signature that you wish to animate. If you don't have one ready, you might want to take a quick photo or scan of your handwritten signature, then upload it to your computer for easy access. Once you find it, click Insert to add it to your current slide. You'll see your signature appear and you can position it where you want. With your signature image in place, it's time to animate it. Find the Animations tab located near the Insert tab. This feature is what brings static elements to life in PowerPoint. Choose an animation effect that suits your style. For signatures, a simple fade or wipe animation can add a smooth, professional look. Apply it to your image and adjust the animation settings to fit your preference, such as speed or start triggers. Finally, preview your animation by entering slideshow mode to see it in action. This is your opportunity to fine-tune timing and transitions to ensure everything appears just as you imagined. And there you have it. You've successfully animated your signature in PowerPoint, giving your presentation a unique and personal touch. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your next project.